Good afternoon, this is Dan Howe, PTI Securities and Futures for your Monday, December 19th afternoon wrap-up. Overnight, the S&Ps had about a 20-point range, a little bit less than normal lately, about 10 points down to 10 points up. We opened up close to the highs, up about 8, and that was very, very quick because it started to fall pretty much immediately. If you're trying to sell calls as we were the day after expiration, if you weren't marking on open, you didn't get hardly anything done. Overnight, the Asian markets are down a little bit. Europe was up, which kind of gave us that little bit of a push. The European bond markets were a little bit strengthened on their early in their trading day, but they started selling off later in the trading day. The housing index number came in, was the only fundamental news we had today, came in a little bit better than expected. However, the market started to trend down, and the more and more talk about the transition issues in North Korea kind of weighed on the market, like we don't need another reason to be nervous. The only thing that we can really say about the day that was really notable is that there was absolutely no volume. It was kind of like watching paint dry. The SPX closed down 14, pretty close to the low of the day at 12.05. The Dow closed down 99 at 11,766. NASDAQ down 32 to 25.23. The 10-year note took it on the chin again, and now another 4 basis points, close to 1.81. That's the lowest level since the deep dark days of the first couple days of October when the market started to rally. So this, obviously, the bond market and the 10-year note is showing a lot of nervousness. Gold actually took it on the chin a little bit today also, but very small, down only 3 to 15.95. The Italian bond, though, during the course of the day started, the yield on it started to go up and up. So even overnight, it was a plus to us. During the course of the day, it added 24 basis points, so it's up to 6.83, getting perilously close to that psychological 7% level. Looking forward on the calendar, we have a little bit more housing news tomorrow, and even though this week has a very full calendar, almost all of it is coming out on Thursday. We got GDP, we got the Michigan sentiment, we got durable goods, all coming out Thursday morning. On Friday, we got the personal income and personal spending, so hopefully we'll get a little bit more volume towards the end of the week, but this has been a sleeper. It's been Dan Howe, PTI Securities and Futures.